Now this is continuous, but I have two variables. These are everything is okay. So I need to check 2 from left and right. Limit is goes to 2 from right. Let me do it. Equal f at 2. From right, I am here. That means 4b plus a minus 3. From left, I am here. That will be 4a plus b. So we have what? Take the variables to one side and the other to other side. So I have 4b plus a minus 4a minus b equal to 3. Or it will be 3b minus 3a equals 3. Notice if I divide by 3, b minus a will be what? 1. So I don't need to find a and b. I need only b minus a. So this is correct. Which of the following conditions will guarantee there is a root for this? I think this question is just too much calculation between -1 and 1. So I need to check when 1 will make it positive and 1 make it negative. So we'll take a minus 6 and b 6. So this is my function. So check f of -1 will be what? -4 minus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So that will be positive. F of 1, it will be 4 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6, which is negative. So this one correct. You need to check the rest. And for sure it will not work. I will do only b just for now. The function is what? 4x cubed. I'm checking 5 functions, which is too much, really. Minus x plus 1. Now check f of -1. You have -4 minus 6 plus 1 plus 1, which is negative. F of 1, you have 4 minus 6 minus 1 plus 1, which is still negative. So this is wrong. Please check the rest. This function, then the number of points of discontinuity. Let's be careful here. You need to check each function first. You check this function, then check this function. Now this function is discontinuous if x not equal to 5 and if x not equal to -half. I need 5 minus x not equal to 0 and 4 plus 2x not equal to 0. معناها x not equal to -2. خلاص? So this is, I should apply to this interval. This is out of the interval. I don't care about it. I care about only this one. Now I will do the same for the other function, for the next function. So I check this function. Let me do it like this, maybe better. Do it in more calculation. So make this f of 1 of x, and this is f of 2 of x. f1 of x. This function, continuous, f x not equal to 5 and x not equal to 2, -2. Okay, but this is works with this interval. Now this is 1. I want less than 1, where -2 is here, but 5 is here. So this will give me nothing. This is the only point of discontinuity now. Now check f of 2 of x, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. This one is continuous if x is greater than 0. If x greater than 0, x greater than 1, so x greater than 0. So I'm getting nothing. No restrictions. Then I need to check now at 1. Check limit as goes to 1 from right. Now check at 1. I check each function, I get only 1 point. Now check at 1. This one will be what? Right, I'm here. It will be 1/2. What about limit? It goes to 1 from left. I will be here. It will be what? 6/4. 4 plus 2, which is 6. This is cancelled. So 1/4, they are not equal. So f is not continuous at x equal -2 and at x equal 1. So I have 2 points of discontinuity. If f is continuous, class given if f is continuous, here I have no problem, x not equal to 2. Here x not equal to -2, which is correct. So I need to check -2, check at 2. You get the formula, you get the relation, find a and b, done. Now limit x goes to -2 of this. This will be 0/0. And this is very clear, very easy. It will be x -2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 cancelled. I'm getting -4. And the same thing for here. Let me do it at the same time. It goes to 2, either plus or minus mathematical. X squared -4 over x -2. I'm getting what? X -2, x plus 2 over x -2. It will be 4. Pass. Now at x equal -2, I need to check limit. It goes to -2 from right. Should be equal limit. It goes to -2 from left. Equal f of -2 will make no difference. -2 from right, I am here. Substitute. You have -2a plus b. -2 from left, I am here. We already did it. That is -4. So I have, this is the first equation. Equation 1, x equal 2. Limit x goes to 2 from right. Equal limit x goes to 2 from left. Equal f at 2. From right, I am here. That we did, it's 4. From left, I am here. That will be 2a plus b, which is equation 2. So I have -2a plus b equal -4. And 2a plus b equals to 4. Add them, 2b equals 0. So it means b equals 0. Plug it here. So it means, well, plug it here easier. Take the positive. So it means 2a equal 4. So a equal 2. So a plus b, 2 plus 0, which is 2. So this is the answer. Using the intermediate value, because the two curves intersect. Well, this y1, y2, what's the meaning they intersect? Mana, they are equal to each other. Mana, what will be my function? y1 minus y2. I make it y1 minus y2 equals 0. So this will be my function, which is what? X cubed minus x squared minus 1 minus y2, which is minus x squared plus 3. So that will be x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2. So this is my function. Check. I check my -2, f of -1, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. F of -2 will be -8, -8 plus 2. This is negative. F of -1 will be -1, -2 plus 2 is still negative. F of 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, that's positive. F of 1, 1 minus 2 plus 2, this is positive. F of 2, 8 minus 8 plus 2, this is positive. F of 3, 27 minus 2, 9 minus 18 plus 2, this is positive. So very clear, this is wrong, this is wrong. Positive, positive. 0 and 1, positive, positive. -2, -1, positive, negative, negative. -1 and 0. This is the only correct answer. Limit arc sign of this, it means I take the limit inside, since this is a continuous function. So I need to check this limit. Substitute, you're getting 0 over 0. So rationalize, you're getting what? Limit x goes to 1, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus the square root of x, cancelled. So I have half. So I need to find arc sine of this limit. Take the limit inside, which is half. So I need to find arc sine of half, which is pi over 6. And that is the answer. The function which the following statement is false. Removable infinite at x equal minus 1, x equals 0. We simplify it. That is x minus 1 square. We have x minus 1 times x plus 1. So I'm concerned about x equals 0, x equal 1, x equal minus 1. By the way, he wants the false statement. At 0, this will be cancelled. So at minus 1, at 1 we have removable. At minus 1, it will be infinite. It will be non-zero over 0. Infinite. At 0, the same thing. It will be non-zero over 0. You can check. Limit x goes to 0 from right for this function. 0 from right, that will be negative. This is positive. This is positive. That will be minus infinity. Limit x goes to minus 1 from right. That will be negative, negative, positive. So it will be plus infinity. And limit x goes to 1 for this function. It will be 0 over non-zero. So it will be 0. So I have removable at x equal minus 1. No, we have infinite. And I want the wrong one. So this is wrong. Infinite at x equal minus 1. Yes, this is correct. Infinite at x equal 0. Yes, it's correct. Removable at x equal 1. Yes. 2 vertical asymptote. Yes, since it goes to infinity. So this is the wrong one. Is the function continuous at x equal 2? If not, what is the type of discontinuity? I need to check the limit. This is the function. Greatest integer of x plus the integer of minus x. I need to check the limit as goes to 2 from right of this function and from left. From right, substitute, you have 2 minus 2.0 something. That's 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. From left, I'm getting what? 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So the limit exists. Equal minus 1. What about f at 2? F at 2 will be greatest integer at 2 plus greatest integer of minus 2, and that will be 2 minus 2, which is 0. So they are not the same. So f is discontinuous at x equal 2. Not only that, what's the kind? Removable. Why it's removable? Since the limit exists. This function from the variable, the function is discontinuous, and what's type? Just x minus 1, x plus 1. I have here what? X minus 4, x plus 1. What will make a problem? 4 and minus 1. For sure, x equal minus 1, it will be removable. X equal 4, it will be infinite. Check it. Yeah, this is cancelled at x not equal to minus 1. So for x equal minus 1, I have limit. X goes to minus 1 for this function, where I cancel x plus 1, that will be what? Minus 2 over minus 5, 2 over 5. So we have removable and no vertical asymptote. X equal 4 What is the limit? As goes to 4 from right. لنفس الفانكشن هذه cancelled. So this will be positive over 0 positive. That will be plus infinity. So we have infinite. Not only that, x equal 4, a is the vertical asymptote. Find where the function is continuous. I need this to be positive, and I need this not equal to 0. What is this? X plus 2 times x minus 1, and x not equal to minus 2, and x not equal to 1. Here I have x is less than or equal to 1. هذا ال1 وأقل منه أو يساوي ال1 وبتفادى الماينس 2 وتفادى ال1. Okay, so what will be the answer? What will be the domain? What will be the interval? It will be from minus infinity up to minus 2 union minus 2 to 1 open. Since 1 x not equal to 1 here, from here, huh? Not equal to. Find all values of a and b, formation the function continuous. This is continuous, this is continuous, this is continuous. So check these junction points. So limit for x equals 0 goes to 0 from right, f of x equal f at 0. مش هيقتضي عوض عند الزيرو هنا هيصير minus 1 ها 0 0 minus 1 عوض عند الزيرو هنا ايش هيساوي 1 sin 0 مع السلامة plus b معناها البي وش هي minus 2 طلعنا البي خلاص نجي x equal 1 limit as goes to 1 from right limit as goes to 1 from left equal f of 1. Okay, ايش هيصير عندك 1 from right I am here, that means 1 minus a. 1 from left I am here, that means a plus b minus 1. خلاص هذا عارف انها minus 2 يقتضي انه عندك 2a هذه what minus 3 نقولها هناك يصير 4 معناها a equal to. Using method to show that the equation has a solution between x equal to x equal 3. خلاص, what is the function? Since it's written, that will be my function. I want to check equal to 0. This is my function. And this is equal to 0. So check f of 2 is here 4 minus cosine 2 pi اللي هو عند 2 cosine 2 pi is what 0 minus 1 minus 4 هذا negative. f of 3 يصير 9 ناقص كوساين 3 باي اللي هي minus 1 minus 4 واضح انها positive معناها there is a root. لأن f is continuous دائما لازم نشيك ان f is continuous on the closed interval. I did not do it before, but you need to do it. Consider the function discontinuity, simplify it. I think now we are used to it. X minus 2 for x plus 1. I think it's the same question. No, not the same. Okay. State the type, very clear. عندك x equal minus 1, x equal 2. هنا عندك removable, هنا عندك infinite, very clear. هنا limit is goes to minus 1. خلاص, this is cancelled at x not equal to minus 1. I said x minus 1 over x minus 2, and that will be 2 over 3. هنا limit is goes to 2 from right. X minus 1 and x minus 2, that will be positive, that will be plus infinity. So I have infinite and removable. Here's the function, find the values of b for which the function is continuous at x equal 1. معناها at x equal 1, I have the limit as goes to 1 from right, equal the limit as goes to 1 from left, equal f at 1. From right, I am here, that is 1. From left, I am here, that is 2 minus b. So B will be what? Will be 1. That's it. This is the value. That's only one value. Show that the equation has a root. I need first to simplify it. That's x squared minus x minus sin x equals 0. Check f of 1. And function is continuous. F is continuous. 1, 1, 1, 2. F of 1 is here 1 minus sine 1. This is negative. F of 2 will be 4 minus 2 minus sine 2. This is positive because this is cannot exceed 3. I mean, yeah, cannot exceed 3. So this will be positive. So there is a root. Intermediate values here. I will not write it. Find all points of discontinuity if they exist and set the type of each type. Now, discontinuity. Here, do we have any discontinuity? No, this function is continuous. So the only things I need is this one. X squared minus 1 not equal to 0. So I have x equal minus 1 and x equal 1. And you notice, oops, limit as it goes to minus 1 from the right. Let me just write it as this one. 1 plus tan inverse x على x minus 1 x plus 1. Yes? And the 1 plus tan inverse of x على x minus 1 x plus 1. Minus 1 from right. This is positive. This is positive. What will happen here? Minus 1 from right. I need tan inverse of minus 1, which is minus pi over 4. Around minus pi over 4, since the function is continuous. 1 minus pi over 4 will be what? It will be pi over 4 is 3.14 over 4, which is less than 1. 1 minus this will be positive. So that will be plus infinity. So I have infinite discontinuity. Or non-removable. Huh? X equal 1. I will do x goes to 1 from right. For this one. Yeah. For 1, wait a minute. Here, minus 1 from right. This is negative. Huh? This is negative. This is positive. So this is minus infinity. Yeah. Not make a big difference, but this will be positive still. This is positive. This is positive. So this is plus infinity. So I have infinite discontinuity. The function, find the values of here, makes the function continuous at x equals 0. X equals 0. I want the limit as goes to 0 of this function. Since right equals left, I'll do it at one time. We know how to do this. This is 0. Sandwich 0. You can do it. Let me write it. Between minus 1 and 1, multiply by x squared. This goes to 0. This goes to 0. This goes to 0 by sandwich 0 as x goes to 0. So the limit exists. And it should equal f at 0. The limit. He says the function is continuous at x equals 0. This is 0. F at 0, it will be b plus 1. So b equal minus 1. Justify your answer. This is the function. Find the limit x goes to 1. X goes to 1 will be what? 1 left. Huh? Limit x goes to 1 from left. 1 left, it will be 2. 1 right, it will be 1. So this does not exist. خلاص. For 4, limit x goes to 4 from right. عوض هنا يطلع 0. Limit x goes to 4 from left. عوض هنا 1 على 4. برضه does not exist. Left not equal right, صح؟ ادي 1 1. Yeah. Well, the number is discontinuous. Yes. X equal 1, X equal 4. In a continuous from right, huh? It's okay. And 4 it will be the end. It's okay. Here 0. Okay. ما هي موجودة فما عندي إلا هدول بس اللي discontinuity. وش نوعيتهم؟ Limit does not exist. I have jump. Right not equal to left. Okay, continuous from right, continuous from left. Yeah, I need to check. I need to check for these things. I need to check f at 1. F at 1 will be what? 2. So this is equal to this. Okay, so it's continuous from left. Discontinuous, but continuous from left. X equal 1. The numbers at which if it's continuous from right. Shake F at 4. F at 4 هيكون هنا. هيكون 0. هيكون ماشي مع هذا. So continuous from right. هنا X equal 4. هذا slide no need. The function continuous. هذا ما في مشكلة continuous هذا continuous هذا X not equal to 2 which is okay. But I need to check limit is goes to 2 for this function which is 4. Very clear. Now X equals 0. It's the limit X goes to 0 from right. Equal limit X goes to 0 from left. Equal F at 0. 0 from right, I'm here. That will be B. 0 from left, I'm here. Sine 0 is 0. E to the power 0, 1. So that will be 2. That's B equal 2. X equal 2. Limit X goes to 2 from right. Equal limit X goes to 2 from left. F at 2. ايش هيعطيكي هذا؟ 2 from right, I'm here. We did the limit, it's 4. 2 from left, I'm here. That will be 2A plus B. I know B is 2, so A will be 1. 2, B, A equal 1. Plus, this is A, this is B. Show that the function has a root. F x, x minus 1 minus sine x equals 0. I want to check the root. ما أعطاني. He did not give me any number. You can think of it by graph. This is sine x. And this is x minus 1. At 0, it's minus 1. And at 1, it's 0. So we'll do something like this. So we'll take a value between 0 and what? This is pi, which is 3. Make it between 0 and 4. Who cares? If it's continuous, f at 0 will be what? 0 minus 1 minus 0, which is negative. F at 4, for sure, it will be. This is cannot exceed minus 2, so this will be positive. And the function is continuous, so everything is okay. And intermediate value showed that there is a root. Intersection, the two functions intersect. We did something like this. Intersect معناها they're equal. معناها their difference is equal to 0. يصير عندك هذه we call it h of x. So my h of x is what? X squared minus 1 minus this. So function is continuous on this closed interval. Shake if h at 0 will be minus 1 minus square root of 2 negative. H at 2, it will be 4 minus 1 minus 2, which is positive. So there is a root for intermediate values here. I'm not to the right of everything. Okay. Find all points of the continuity and discuss it. Here I have x not equal to minus 1, which is okay by this condition. Here x greater than 1, which is okay. Here I have no restriction. So I need to check now x equal minus 1, What is the limit? It goes to -1 from right. -1 from right, I am here. That will be sine 1 minus 1, sine 0, which is 0. Limit is goes to -1 from left. I will be here. It will be -1 from left. It will be what? -1 from left. It will be this limit, which is ln 0 over 0, infinity. That will be minus infinity. So we have discontinuity. Okay. And now for x equal 1, check the limit as goes to 1 from right. 1 from right, I'm here. That will be 0. 1 from left, I am here. That will be sine of 0, which is 0. So f is continuous at x equal 1. Function is continuous at x equal -1 or not. I will check limit as goes to -1 from right for this function. Yeah. How to check this limit? You notice as this goes to -1 from right, minus x will go to 1 from left. So 1 minus x will go to 0, will go to x goes to -1 from right. Okay. So this is, you multiply it by minus. It's like -1 from right minus 0.999 something. That will be 0.999 something with the 1, but this is minus 0.999 something. So I have a value which is a negative minus 0.9 less than this. So this is goes to 2 from left, and x going to -1 from right. So I have a negative and less than 0. Negative, this is the numerator, forget the negative. So you have a negative number where the numerator is less than the denominator. So you have minus point something. Minus point something, what will be the limit? -1. Now do the same from left. See what will happen. As x goes to -1 from left, -1 from left, which is -1.001, something like this. So minus x goes to 1 from right. This is 1 from right, No. This is 1 plus this. I add 1 to it. No, -1 from right. This is 1 from left. This is 2 from left. Yeah. It's 0.99 with a minus sign. Now this is -1.001. يصير عندك برضو you added هنا. ايش هيصير عندك؟ minus يصير 2.001 يصير 2.001 واللي فوق -1.001. The same thing. عندك minus small number, minus point something. So this is -1. Okay. This is goes to, implies in 1 minus x will go to 2 from right. Like in an x goes to -1 from left. So I have -1 minus 1 point something in a 2 plus. So it go to -1. f of -1 عبارة عن إيش؟ -1 over 2, which is -half, which is still -1. So the function is continuous. at x equal minus 1. I think so. Yeah, I think this is the last one, but I will stop. Find the value parameter for which the function is continuous everywhere. خلاص, just check at 0. I will do it quickly. For 0, limit x goes to 0 from right. So I have what? A, and this is e to the power, no, هنا positive, e to the power 0 هو 1. This is 0 plus a, which is a. So this is a. Same thing here, everything is defined. عندك مشاكل. So we check x equals 0. I have the limit from right. Right, I am here, which is b. We do it this way. Limit as goes to 0 from left equal if at 0 تصير معادلة b from left عوض هنا is equal to a. X equal 2. Have the limit is goes to 2 from right. Limit is goes to 2 from left equal f at 2. ايش هيصير عندك 2 from right أنا هنا هيصير عندك half plus 2b 2 from left أنا هنا عبارة عن 4a plus b. صح؟ Yeah, just we substitute. b equal a معناها من هنا هيكون half equal what 4a plus a minus 2a اللي هي كم؟ 5a minus 2a 3a. معناها ال a كم هتساوي 1/6. معناها ال b تساوي 1/6. Yeah, I think I will stop here. Go to this one to stop the recording. Okay. I'll stop.